Welcome to Amaya channel. Today we are going to do number system related questions. So class 9 number system decimal bar related part we are going to do today. Last class we have discussed about how to find 0.1 bar and convert it into P by Q forms. Means we have already discussed, but one more time I'm explaining how to convert it into P by Q form. Fine. So first long division method, Avinash is telling Avinash, look here beta, one process is there. That process I'm going to explain. Let 0.1 bar is equal to x. That means x is equal to 0.1111111111. It will keep on going. Okay. Now 0.11 we will take it as equation 1. Fine. Now multiply both side by 10. When you will multiply both side by 10, what will happen? It will become 10x is equal to 0.111111 and so on into 10. Okay. So now this one will become 10x is equal to 1.111111. Why beta? Because when you will multiply, like if 3.6 is there and it will be multiplied with 10, then what will happen? Then it will become 360. And after decimal, how many digit is there? After decimal, one digit is there. So here it will become 36. Very good, Kanishka. Kanishka is absolutely correct. What happened to everyone? Come on, get charge up. We are studying maths right now. Kanishka, Ashwin, Jeeva, Avinash, everyone is correct. Vishal is correct. 36 is the answer. So same way here, when 0.111 will multiply with 10, it will become 1.11111. Now take it as equation 2. Now write subtracting equation 1 and equation 2, then 10x is equal to 1.11111111, and then x is equal to 0.11111111, and it will keep on going. Okay, beta 1.1 Kanishka, that is what I'm telling you beta. When 0.111111 will be there and then you multiply 10, then one digit, this will become what? 1111111, and last one 0 will come. Then definitely after multiplying this 0, this decimal will shift one step back. So sorry, this decimal will shift one step back. So now it will become 1.1111. So this one, equation 1, equation, so subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So 10 minus 1 will become 9x, here 1, and then rest other 1 will keep on getting cancelled. It will come 1.0. That is 9x is equal to 1. Correct, Avinash? So 9x. So x will be equal to 1 by 9. Okay, so x is coming as 1 by 9. What is the answer coming? X is coming as 1 by 9. Now, Kanishka understood beta why I have done. One more time, Kesha, why we should subtract 1 and 2? Then only beta this continuation is there. Now, this continuation will get cancelled. We are subtracting because we have to cancel the continuation. Okay, and we are multiplying, and why we are multiplying by 10, I will explain everything in second example. One by one, if I will solve 2-3 examples now today, very patiently you see how I am solving, and then gain the technique of solving it, and then you try the question. Okay, now I'll solve the next question. So what we have learned here is 0.1 bar is written as 1 by 2, 1 by 9, sorry. Now next question is 0.2 bar. Okay, listen to me very nicely and see the recording again and again, you will be able to understand. Okay, now look here beta, 0.2 bar is there. Then what will be the answer? Again, same process we will do. We will write let 0.2 bar is equal to x. Keshav, bang on. 2 by 9 is the correct answer. But beta, I have to solve and explain. Because in exam, you have to solve and tell them. Avinash correct, Ashwin correct. So beta, what we are going to do, we will write x is equal to 0.22222222222. Avinash solved already. Jiva also solved. Very good beta. So it will become equation 1. Okay. Now what you have to do? If I will shift this to this side, it will be okay. So what you are going to multiply it with? Ashwin is telling multiply it with 10. Beta, if 1 bar is there, bar is on one number, then multiply it with 10. What did I said? If bar is in one number, then multiply it with 10. I repeat, here bar is only on 2. So with what you are going to multiply? With 10 you are going to multiply. So multiplying 10 on both sides. Okay, now this one will become 10x, 10x, and this one will become 0.22222222 and so on, multiplied with 10. So now beta, this 10, 0 will shift it one step forward, so it will become 2.22222222. Okay, now take it as equation 2. Again subtract equation 2 and 1, subtracting equation 1 and 2. Now beta, this after decimal, all the digits are similar, so it will minus 2 will be minus 2 minus 2 0, 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 2 minus 2 0. And then after decimal, before decimal, 2 minus 0 is 2. And here it is coming 9x. So 9x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 9. Keshav is telling understood. Avinash is telling understood. Everyone understood. Tell me, beta. Very good. So one decimal, if bar is in one number, then with what you are going to multiply? Kanishka, Avinash, everyone is correct. Jiva, everyone told that they have understood. Very good, Ashwin. 10, Keshav, Vishal, Avinash, everyone is telling we will multiply it with 10. Super, fantabulous. We are going to multiply it with 10. Marunisha is telling 10. Vishal is telling we are going to, with 2 digit will be there. 2 digit will have bar means 100. We will multiply it with 100. Very good. So I'll tell you that technique also. But beta, now, are you going to solve this or tell the answer directly? 0.3 bar. What will be the answer? Ah, super Kanishka, Keshav, Ashwin, Vishal, Avinash, Jiva, 3 by 9. Divya Shri, 3 by 9. Super. Krishna is also telling 3 by 9. That 0.4 bar will be very tough for you. Tell me. 0.4 bar, correct. 4 by 9, absolutely correct. 0.4 bar is 4 by 9. Very good, very good. 0.5 bar will be what answer? 0.5 by 5 by 9. Super, fantabulous work. 0.6 bar, what will be the answer? Very good, very good. So Vishal, Nivedita, Jiva, everyone told the correct answer. 0.6 bar, 6 by 9. 0.7 bar, 7 by 9. 0.8 bar, what will be the answer? Jiva, Divyashri, Avinash, Ashwin, Merunisa, everyone is telling it is 8 by 9. Absolutely correct. The answer is absolutely correct. So we have understood a technique about solving question, how to solve these type of questions. Okay, 0.1 bar answer will come 1 by 9. Now listen, you are not preparing for one day. Whenever I teach student, my main intention is to teach you for future, to guide you for competitions. So in competition exams, if you will see 0.5 bar, there I don't want you to solve this. Direct 5 by 9 answer should come. I hope you might have understood what trick I told you. You have to follow that trick. Okay, see, for maths now, don't change your writing skill. Keep it continuously same. Avinash, understood now? Very good, beta. That should be that should be that part. So now we have understood for one single number before decimal. See, look here. Before decimal, 0 is there. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits are there. So these digits will be having bar. At that time, the answer will come 0.1 bar means 1 by 9. 0.2 bar means 2 by 9. 0.3 bar means 3 by 9. 0.4 bar means 4 by 9. 0.5 bar means 5 by 9. Now, understood or not? For two numbers, I will say, but beta, how to solve it? 0.2 bar is equal to x. Then what we have done? We have opened the bar and the number will continuously repeat. Now multiplying 10 on both sides, it will become 10x is equal to 2.22222. Now we will subtract equation 1 and 2, bigger number by smaller. Then 2, 2, 2, 2 will get cancelled. Before decimal, 2 minus 0 will be 2. So 9x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 9. Avinash is 100x minus 99x. No. Now I will teach you how to solve for 0.12 bar. When two digits will be having bar, at that time, how to solve the question. So first work is what you will write. Let x is equal to 0.12. Now beta 0.1 to the power bar is there. So it will become x is equal to 0.12, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It will keep on repeating. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 kept on repeating. Now with what you are going to multiply, this will become equation 1. Okay, this will become equation 1. Now beta, with what you are going to multiply? Multiplying equation 1. So it will become 100x is equal to 0.1212121212 keep on going into 100. Now beta, 100 is having how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 100x, this decimal will shift how many digits back? So 2 zeros will shift decimal how many digits back? Very good, Shivatsan. Shiva Naresh, Keshav, Ashwin, it will become 12.22. Awesome, beta, very good. So 12.1212121212 will come. It is coming as equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. It will come 100x is equal to 12.12121212 so on, and this one will become x by 0.12121212 and so on, minus 220 because beta here both the sides you are subtracting and this side will become 12. So 99x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 99. Very good, very good. Ashwin is correct. I think someone gave the answer, it went up. That was also correct. 12 by 91. Avinash, very good. Kanishka, 12 by 99. Jiva, 12 by 99. Marunisa, 12 by 99. All of you, those who have given this answer, is absolutely correct. Very good. Avinash, Krishna, Keshav, Shivanaresh, Marunisa, Jiva, Avinash, Kanishka. So answer is 12 by 99. So did you understood now? Yeah, that you can convert it into simplest form. You were telling auntie not understanding. Now you've understood what you have to do. So beta, if any continuation number is 3.41414141414141 will come, and we will multiply it with 100. Then how many digits the decimal will shift left? How many digits the decimal? Kanishka, correct. It will shift 2 digits left. 2 digits left it will shift. So it will become 341.41414141. Like that it will go. Super, fabulous piece of work. Very, 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 very happy by your performance today. Super. So let's go for the next question. Ready, everyone? Question is 0.27 bar. Very good, Merunisa. Without solving, Shiva Naresh 27 by 99, Nivedita 27 by first, second, third. Merunisa, Shiva Naresh, Ashwin, 3 of them have given the correct answer. First person who has given that answer is Merunisa, second Shiva Naresh, third Nivedita, fourth Ashwin, then fifth Avinash, Keshav, Krishna, Kanishka. Very good. So you understood the trick of solving. In competitions, what you will do, you think if you will remember this trick. Think about the pace with what you are going to solve the exam. Think about it. You are in 9 and you are solving with this much understanding. Very good, beta. But beta, in school, when they will ask, Ashwin is telling next question. But beta, we have to solve this question once. Yes, beta, time will not get wasted. And this is what the technique in numericals. Shiva Naresh, again today science class you have missed. Today I taught science, and next class based on science numericals will be there. Beta, try to be coming in. Try to be what you call punctual and everyday class is there. Beta, everyday class is there. Saturday also class is there. Okay, I am very punctual in my work. You have to be continuous. And from Monday on, offline classes means you have to reach 5 minutes before. I can teach extra, but I am not going to teach less. I love teaching, you know. So beta, what technique we are going to use? Let x is equal to 0.27 bar beta. So x is equal to, with fast speed, 2727272727. In school, what you will do when you will go to school? Then it will become 100x, multiply 100x on both sides, 27.27272727 repeated. Okay, then subtract 100x, 27.27272727. Anyone is having doubt, beta? Anyone not understood? Okay, Avinash not understood. Simplest form, Ashwin is correct. That is correct only, beta. Now next question. Ready, everyone? Let's see in how much seconds you are going to give me the answer. Fine. Ready? In offline class, you will definitely throw notebooks on me. Auntie solved. I'm very much excited to start that classes. Ready? Ashwin, Shiva Naresh, both of you are correct. First, second, third, Vishal, fourth, Kanishka, Divya Shri, Hodapavi. How much fast you are sending the answer? Vishal, Keshav, Jiva, Divya Shri, Avinash, Kanishka, Nivedita, Merunisa, Avinash. Ah, super. All of you are correct. You understood the trick, dear. Fabulous piece of work. What I did, I just taught you one simple thing, and see you guys knowledge level. You have nailed it in a different level. Very good. Super. So what we are going to do, beta, again, we will write let x is equal to 0.347 bar. So it will come 0.347, like this it will go. Very good. So now multiply 1000 both sides. So this digit will shift 3 digit back. 347.347, 347, and so on. So now subtract 1000x equal to 347.347, 347, and so on. X is equal to 0.347, 347, and so on. So minus and minus. So this one will become 999. X is equal to 347. So x will be equal to 347 by 999. Oh, I'm so scared of giving you a question. What you will do with that question? Next question. I have to see who will give first answer. Okay, first Keshav, second Ashwin, third Avinash, fourth Vishal, Divya Shri fifth, Jiva sixth, Krishna seventh, Shiva Naresh eighth, Meronisha ninth. You have understood the technique, and that is 20157. By how many digits is having bar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines you have written. Anything you learned today, tell me first. Enjoyed this technique? Super, very good. Learn the technique na beta. And don't go in school and say start vomiting that I know the shortcut methods, I know this thing, that thing. You have to reflect everything when correct time will come. Paper should be full of knowledge. I'm looking your answers. It is very good. Very good, Kanishka. Okay, Krishna, super. Fabulous piece of work. Beta, I'm very happy by your performance today. Fantabulous job. Super. So ready? But beta, now we will change the pattern of the question. Now, next pattern question will be, what if they will ask 4.23 bar? Big problem. Now, 0 is not there. Now, 4 is there. Okay. When 4 will be there, Avinash, we have to be very careful. One time we will see the technique, and then we will do. Okay, beta. So now again we will write let x is equal to 4.23 bar. So x will be equal to 4.23232323, and so on. Take it as equation 1. Now 2 digits are having bar. So what you will do? Multiply 100 on both sides. So it will become 100x is equal to 423.232323. Okay. Now subtracting 423.23232323, and so on. And down it will become x is equal to, here last digit 4 will be there beta, because in first here 4 is there. So 2323232323. So now all will be exactly 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 will come. But here 23 minus, so it will become 419. So x is equal to, beta, you have to minus 23 minus 4. So 19. So it will become, and here this one will become 99x. So 419 by 99. Correct. Then what is the shortcut method? Shortcut method, I am telling you, 423 423 minus 4. 419. Decimal is having, sorry, bar is having how many digits? 2. So 99. Very good, Ashwin. Very good, Jiva. Understood this trick or not? So one more time we will do, because we are not satisfied by this trick also, and we will solve it. I'll tell beta. Look here. 5.23 bar. What is the answer? Ashwin gave first answer 518 by 99. Keshav 518 by 99. Avinash, Sri Naresh, Shiva Naresh, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay, let me check who gave answer first. 518. Then Vishal, your answer is wrong. Keshav second, Nivedita third, Avinash fourth, Shiva Naresh fifth, Kanishka sixth. R Vishal again after that you have corrected it. Very good. 7th, Jiva 8th. That means you have understood what you have to do, beta. 523 minus 5. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 518. After decimal, how many digits are having bar? 99. So let's see, our answer should come 518 by 99. Our answer should come 518 by 99. Let's see, we have written in shortcut, but is it correct or wrong? So what we will do, Krishna understood. So let x is equal to 5.23 bar. That means x is equal to 5.2323232323 and so on. Now beta, this one we will take it as equation 1. Then multiply both sides. So it will become 523.232323 and so on, equation 2. Now subtract. 100x is equal to 523.23232323 and so on. So x is equal to 5 here, 0.232323 and then minus minus. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and here 13 minus 5, 518 and this is 99x. So x is equal to 518 by 99. Did you understood this trick? First tell me. Very good, Avinash, Ashwin, Kanishka, Krishna. Krishna understood, beta? Okay, are you enjoying this class? Very good. Keshav, Pravina. Keshav was not there in the group. That's why Keshav was not giving answer. Ready? Okay, let's see who will give first 4 answers. First 4 answers. Fine. Okay, my hand is shaking. Who will give? Divyash is telling super. Avinash is telling super. Enjoyed. Okay. Then question is 7.143 bar. Answer. Oh, so much fast. Ashwin gave first answer. Okay, Kanishka second, third, Divyashri 736. Ashwin, let's see who has 143 is having bar, beta. 143 is having bar. 3 digits are having bar. Check the question. Okay, let's see. Anyone? 3 digit is having bar. Check nicely. Keshav 7136 by 999. Okay, that means 7143 minus after before decimal 7 is there, so 7 minus, so 13 minus 7 will be 6. So correct answer is 7136. So how many digits are having bar? 3. Keshav Vishal, correct. 7 1. I think all of you forgot 1. All of you forgot one there. That's why. Now look here, beta. How to write? Let x is equal to 7.143. Beta, how many digits are having bar? 3 digits. So we will multiply both side by 1000. Now subtract. Understood? Jolly, ma'am. Okay. Next question. Let's see how much jolly. This time you have to give answer. This time only 2 children first they have given answer. Without solving, I want you to tell answer. Your knowledge level should be that much perfect in maths. Okay. Answer, please. Okay, first Keshav has given answer, then Ashwin has given answer, Vishal has given answer, Kanishka, Avinash, Nivedita, Jiva. Fine. Okay, Keshav. Okay, Keshav, first time Keshav has given answer wrong. So first rank goes to Ashwin, second Vishal, third Kanishka, fourth Avinash, fifth Nivedita, sixth Jiva, then Divyashri, Krishna, Keshav. Okay, then Shivanaresh, and then Avinash. Vishal, mute. Hey, mute yourself, otherwise it will go in recording, beta. 8.237 bar is there. Okay, so 8237 minus 8. Okay, so it will come 9. And then after decimal, how many digits are having bar? 3. Correct answer. Next question. Fast. You have taken it to different level. Seriously. Ashwin first, Keshav second, Nivedita third, third Avinash, Nivedita fourth, Maronisa fifth, Kanishka sixth, Shivanaresh seventh, Vishal eighth, Jiva ninth, Krishna 10th. Awesome. Devashri 11th. So exactly what you have to do. 11375 by 11 minus 5 minus 1 is 4, 6, 3, 1, 1 by 1, 2, 3. See, you know what? I'm telling you one truth. Many children make mistakes, blunders in this, and you are solving without any mistake. And that too, this much part. Within 30 seconds, you have given the answer. And that too in online answer you have given. Super, fabulous piece of work. God bless you all. So today recording, once it will go, show it to your parents first. See what level we have solved today. Seriously, you have nailed all the questions today. Note down all these questions.